Do you ever turn on your garage light and it does this? Well, today we're going to fix that. What's up, everybody? Welcome to DIY Thursdays. So check out my new swag. This is my Ryobi Rebel shirt. You can get one. Check out Brent Kilgore. He makes these bad boys. Check out his merch store. Go ahead and cop one. These things are pretty awesome. So today our DIY project is going to be, we're going to change out this old fluorescent lamp here in the garage that doesn't want to turn on anymore. And I actually have a new brighter LED lamp here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change this out and get some better light here in the garage. So I want to start off by saying with this video, since we are dealing with electricity, the first thing that you're going to want to do is cut the breaker. So I've done that. I've cut the breaker. I know this is off. Now we can begin our project. And just for light, just so you can see, I got all my other Ryobi lights here, lighting the place up. I got these the string lights here, the workbench light. So we got plenty of light in here. But looking at this, go up the ladder here. It looks like they just attached this with like one screw in there. You can't really see it. So that's going to be the first thing that we need to get down, is we'll remove this. And so I'll see what's involved with doing that. So with this light here, there was this part here that I twisted and it loosened up, which allows me to take that part off. There's the ballast for the LED, and it is just screwed up. Let's see, we got a screw right there, and a screw right there. So we'll get those removed real quick, and we'll go on from there. Okay, so I've taken all undone all the wiring. We just have one bolt here. Got my impact wrench. We'll take that out and then be able to take this down. Okay, that was pretty easy. We have our exposed wires now. Now we just gotta open up this other light and get it wired up and get up there. Alright, here is our new light fixture. So I just need to take the bulbs off of this one, open it up so we can get to the inner part. Then I can remove this little knockout here to run the wires in, and we can, get it mounted in these holes back up to the ceiling, get our power hooked up, and we'll be in business. Okay, so here's where we're at. We have screwed that up to the wall, put the wires through. Now we just gotta connect everything, connect the ground, and these little things right here, and put everything back together. Almost there. Now, as you can see here, I have everything wired up and secured, and I connected all the leads. So now I just gotta get everything back in there. I'll put it back up and we'll be ready to go. Alright, here we go. Got it all snapped back in. So now we'll go turn on the breaker and see how it looks. Okay, now we're back in the garage. I have the breaker turned back on. Here's our moment of truth. Alright, there we go. Let there be light. We have light now. No more fluorescent light. We have upgraded to LEDs. I don't have to worry about the light coming on now. This should last for probably 10 years or more, if not longer. So that was a really easy project, guys. So, here we like to DIY stuff. It's easy to do. Don't spend your money having people come out to do stuff like this. This literally took me 20 minutes at most. And that was because I was, filming stuff. But you guys can do this too. So that was a easy, satisfying project. So I hope you guys get out there and keep doing some DIY stuff. And I'll see you next week. Peace.